Hi, konnichiwa, Asuka Sensei です。Hi, I'm Asuka Sensei, your Japanese teacher. Today I'm talking about demasu. Demasu, yes. So demasu means go out, get out. So it's like this situation. So this is a kind of boundary, and then now you are here. Yes, and then yes, go out that boundary, and then you are in the new place. So that's the demasu. Okay, that's the demasu concept. So we use normally the normal sentence like I go out from my house. Yes, 家を出ました。I went out. So you are here, 家, and then 家を出ました. And then now you are in outside. Yes, so that's 家を出ました. Alright, so this is the basic meaning. Yes, and then demasu is very basic word, so we use in different ways. But today I show you two more examples, very useful ones. Okay, so the next one is 大学を出ました. 大学 means university. So now you are in university. Okay, you are a university student, and once you graduate, you go out from university area, university status, and then you are in the new world. Yes, so that's 大学を出ました. Yes, so 出ました. In this case, 出ました means graduate from university. So this is past tense. I graduated from the university. Okay, and then the next one, maybe the most difficult one, is 会議に出ました. So に is used. Yes, so if you know this particle ni means towards, to the destination, to the direction. Yes, so 会議に出ました. It means you are here and then go out, and then this new place is the meeting. 会議 is meeting. Okay, this is a 会議. Yes, so if you go this movement, this is に. Okay, yeah, so 会議に出ました. 会議 is a new place you entered. Okay, so that's why this sentence means I joined or I attended the meeting. Yes, so 会議に出ました. So that's the difference between o. So o shows your original place. So this is o. Yes, so 家を出ました. 大学を出ました. 会議に出ました. So 会議 is here. It's a new place. I hope it helps. Yes, if you find this video is very interesting and informative, please thumbs up and then share with your friend. Okay? See you next time. さよなら。またね。